Liquify Network is a permissionless decentralized exchange that uses VE33 system and is built on the core blockchain. Before getting into the details of Liquify Network, let's understand what is VE33. Without VE33 model, locked funds in the pool cannot circulate, which creates the problem of low capital efficiency in the long term. VE33 model solves this problem, which creates a win-win situation for Liquify users. VE33 has a combination of two mechanisms. VE mechanism means vote escrow, which is similar to convex and curve protocols. 3.3 is a model by Olympus DAO. Combining both models becomes VE33, which encourages users to lock tokens into the pool, and in return, users earn fees as an incentive. Now coming back to Liquify Network. Liquify Network is a permissionless decentralized exchange built on the core blockchain. With the help of the VE33 model, Liquify Network offers low-cost token exchanges and reduced swap fees. Similar to other decentralized exchanges, here you can swap tokens, provide liquidity, and participate in the governance to control the growth, direction, and development of the Liquify network. Now let's see how you can use Liquify Exchange. Open app.liquify.network in your browser. You will see an error message, which can be removed by adding core network details to your MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask wallet. Click on the network dropdown. Here, you can use Add Network button to add the core network manually. Or, open scan.coredao.org in your browser. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on Add Core Network button. Your MetaMask wallet will open automatically. Click Approve to add the network. Click on Switch Network. Now, close this tab and you will see your wallet is already connected to Liquify Network. You will also see your wallet address, which means your wallet is connected. And, you can use Switch Wallet Provider to connect other wallets, but I will show you all steps using MetaMask wallet. I already have core tokens in my wallet, but I need wrapped core to do transactions on Liquify. So to convert core tokens to wrapped core, open exchange.archerswap.finance in your browser. Click on Connect Wallet button. Select MetaMask. As you can see, my core token is visible. Select Wrapped Core in the second field. Enter the amount you want to convert in one field and it will automatically fill another field. Click on Wrap. Confirm the transaction and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, I successfully received wrapped core in my wallet. Now close this tab and refresh this page to see the balance. Now let's see how to use swap feature. You can click on the token's image to select a different token, but I will continue with the same. Enter the amount in the first field and it will automatically fill the another field. I will pay 0.25 wrapped core token to receive 15.68 Liquify tokens. After that, click on the swap button. Here you need to enter a custom spending limit, which can also be increased later. For example, if I will enter 1, this contract can spend 1 wrapped token from my wallet, and I can also change this spending limit in the future. Now click on the next button. Click Approve and wait for a few seconds. Confirm the transaction again and wait for a few seconds. You will receive Swap Successful message. Close this pop-up and you will see Liquify tokens in your wallet. Here you can also provide liquidity. Open Liquidity option. Click on Add Liquidity. Select Coins to add liquidity. Enter the amount in the first field and it will automatically fill another field. Then, select one between the volatile and stable pools depending on your requirement. After that, you can click on the Deposit and Stake button. And if you don't want to stake, you can enable the advanced toggle and you will also see an option to deposit LP only. I have only a few tokens, so I don't want to deposit them into liquidity pool. Let's go to the next feature. Here you also get the Vest option. The Vest option allows you to lock Liquify tokens to get VE Liquify, which increases your voting power, enables you to collect bribes, and earn a portion of swap fees from the most productive gauges. Let's see how to get VE Liquify. Click on the Create Lock button. Here you will see your Liquify balance. Enter the amount you want to lock. Your voting power depends on the lock period. A longer lock period means more voting power. For this example, I will select 1 month. After that, click on the Lock button. Here you need to enter a custom spending limit. I want to lock 5 Liquify, so for now, I will enter 5 in this field. After that, click Next. Click Approve and wait for a few seconds. Click Confirm and wait for a few seconds. You will receive Vest Created message. Close this pop-up and you will see the details of your vested tokens. Here you can see the vested amount, VeLIQify amount or voting power, and expiry date. You can use the Manage button to increase the lock amount or duration. Now I have 0.09 VeLIQify, which means I can use my voting power. Let's see how you can vote. Open Vote. Here you will see different assets. Use the slider to change your vote percentage. After that, click on the Cast Votes button. Click Confirm and wait for a few seconds. You will receive Votes Cast message, which means your vote is successful. Now close this pop-up and open the Rewards option. Here you can claim all the rewards, which you will receive depending on your transactions and usage. You can use Claim All button to claim the rewards. Here you also get Whitelist and Bridge options. The Whitelist option allows projects to have their tokens whitelisted, and Bridge can be used to transfer funds from one blockchain to another. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching.